from this to this. Alright, so let me explain real quick how I got this wheel the way it is right now. So I bought this, it's called Easy Off. I sprayed this, I took the wheel off and I sprayed these on both in and out. And then I took soap and water with this little thing. It's not that aggressive, but anyways, since you're gonna paint the wheel, you're gonna have to sand it anyways. And then I took sandpaper, 180 grip, and I sand everywhere where there was dust, black. I sand it down completely, and then I rinse it down, let it dry, then put tape around the tire. And then this is the color I use. It's a wheel coat made for wheel. So I use 1.5 bottle. I did 3 coats. Did 3 coats of paint and 2 of clear. And then here's a clear. So I already had the clear, so I spent $23 on those. This one I bought at Home Depot, and then this one at the Advanced Auto Part. I'm sure any auto part will have that. And then this one I already had this one, so. And then that's how the wheel came out. They all came out like brand new again. Beautiful. All right, thank you.
Welcome to my channel. DIY Mechanic.
Well, here we got the finished product. They look like brand new wheels, fresh. Look like a new car now. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, likes and share. I hope you learned something and you can fix your own wheel and don't spend a lot of money. Thank you.